We are the final year chemical engineering students from STROF SRO3 Institute of Chemical Technology. Our project ID is 120698. Our topic of today's presentation is study of techno-economic feasibility and design of waste plastic pyrolysis plant. Our project guide is Mr. Hemant Kumar Balsora and he is assistant professor at SRIC. Now I hand over the start of the presentation to Parth Patel.
So basic introduction of our project is the wide application and a massive demand of the plastic is day-to-day increase. Because of the plastic is increase, is led to the rapid generation of plastic waste. So it has been increased year to year. So also one main thing is the plastic are made from the synthetic organic polymers, which are widely used in the water bottles, packaging, medical equipment, and in many more resources. So we did to take step against the plastic waste. So we decided to take pyrolysis process for better use of plastic waste. Now I hand over to the Vidya.
Now moving towards to the comparison. So there are three methods for plastic waste management. First one is landfill. Landfilling of waste plastic causes several environmental issues such as uncontrolled release of methane in the atmosphere, a gas that has 20 to 23 times a higher greenhouse gas potential than CO2. Thus causes air pollution as well as land pollution. Second one is incinerations. Due to combustion of waste plastic in incinerators, SOx, NOx, CO2 and CO are produced, which contribute to greenhouse gases. Also produces carcinogenic gases. Third one is pyrolysis. Pyrolysis offer an environmentally sound alternative to incineration and inefficient landfilling. As this process can convert plastic waste into energy, simultaneously we can reduce environmental pollution. Now promising technology for converting into a wax or oil gases product, which can be used as a heavy fuel oil substitute or as raw material by the petrochemical industry, or can be used as energy source in gas or oil furnaces. The details, kinetics analysis, material and energy balance calculations are helpful in determining the techno-economic feasibility of the process and also in designing commercial pyrolysis plants. Now I hand over to Umang.
Now moving to objective, we have done study on kinetic of plastic pyrolysis. We have done calculation on material and energy balance and cost analysis. We have also done design of auxiliary equipment needed for the pyrolysis plant. Now hand over Jayendra C. Bodana.
Now moving forward towards the process scheme of our project. So first of all, we are taking waste plastic as a raw material and send it to the dryer. Then after it will goes in the melter where the combustion reaction take place in the presence of oxygen. Now melted raw materials will undergoes pyrolysis where again the combustion reaction take place, but in the absence of oxygen. So now the whatever charge that we are getting from the pyrolyzer will collected in the tank number 7 as we can see in the figure. Now the useful gases are goes into the heat exchanger. Here we are using cold water as a cooling utility. And whatever amount of useful oil that we are getting from the condenser will collect in the tank number 10 and 14 as we can see in the figure. But the oil has some impurities. That's why we are using here sand filter to remove the impurities. And the non-condensable gases is being either released to the atmosphere as per the government policy, or else we can use them as a heating utility in the melter. Now moving forward towards the 2D design of our project. So here we are using plastic napper. So basically the purpose of using plastic napper is to reduce the size of our raw material. So here raw material will undergo pyrolysis reactor. Here we are using auger reactor. Then after useful gases will going into a condenser to be condensed, and whatever amount of product that we are getting, main product, which is our mixed oil, and the residue will be our non-condensable gases, which is nothing but the fuel oil. Now hand over to Deepraj.
Now after seeing the process and plant design for pyrolysis plant, now here we will have a glance on the advantages. The first advantage is high efficiency. So using different kind of waste plastic is a very high efficient for the pyrolysis plant, as we can use each and every type of plastic for the pyrolysis. The second advantage is high profit. It is observed and it is studied from the literature that the yield of oil produced after the pyrolysis is more than 50%. That is suppose we put 100 kg of waste plastic, it can extract more than 50 kg of pyrolysis fuel oil, which is a good yield for a pyrolysis plant. So now further moving towards the conclusion, we have concluded various things after the literature survey and the work on the project. That the first is higher temperature yields lighter fraction, means at high temperature, low carbon chain products like gasoline and others are obtained. So longer the residence time will be there, less will be the char production. It is a good initiative towards the green environment, and it is also can be said as an alternative for liquid fuel that is there if there is a fuel crisis in nowadays. So it is also a fuel available at a reasonable cost, but the commercialization is possible at low payback period only. Thank you.